Welcome to the 2020 summer session of ASTR1001 Introduction to Astrophysics. I'm Paul Francis and I'm your lecturer for this course. Now, this is the first time we've run this course in the summer session, so we're not quite sure how things are working. We've tried to set it up to help you, but if we're doing anything wrong, please let us know and we'll fix it. So how does the course work? Well, it's a purely online course in 4 parts. The first part is Greatest Unsolved Mysteries of the Universe. The second part is Exoplanets. The third part is the Violet Universe. And the fourth part is Cosmology. Each part of the course consists of about 10 hours of video, plus a bunch of online questions and a written homework. So all up, including the homework, each part of the course should take about 30 hours to complete. So all 4 parts should be about 120 hours, which is the expectation for a typical ANU course. The fact that this course is purely online does not make it any less work, unfortunately. So if you want to do everything at the last moment, then I would suggest you start work by, let me check the dates, about the 20th of January. That will give you 1 week to do each of the 4 parts, and then you'd be ready to do the final exam. We will hold the final exam in the week starting the 17th of February, O week for next semester. However, all the courses are available right now, so there's nothing to stop you doing it earlier. In fact, we'd probably recommend that. So start right away, and that means you can work steadily right through December, January into February, rather than leave everything to the last moment. It's up to you, but don't expect to be able to do all the course in the last week. It's not possible. We've set up the deadlines for the 4 parts of the course. So the deadline for the first part of the course is 26th of January, Australia Day. Then the second part, the 2nd of February, then the 9th of February, and then the 16th of February. So that's the last you should do those things. And we set those dates just to stop people doing everything right at the last moment, which is impossible. However, just because that's a deadline doesn't mean you have to do things just before the deadline. You can do things as early as possible, and we strongly recommend that. Now, the course is purely online. You can do it anywhere with internet access. If you have questions for us, then you can either email me or preferably use the discussion forum built into the edX, and we will have tutors monitoring that constantly through the summer to answer your questions. The final exam will be held sometime in a week, the 17th to the 21st of February. We will set a date in consultation with you to try and suit as many people as possible. If you can't come in person because you're out of Canberra, then you can also do this final exam online via a video link, video invigilation. You'll just need to have good internet access. We'll have the video camera watching to make sure you're not cheating on the whole thing. If you have any questions, use the discussion forum to ask them. So how do you start? Start off by signing yourself up for the first part of the course on edX. The link is here in Wattle. And please remember to sign up using your university email address so we know who you are and who to give the marks to. So, sign up and start the course.